How's that for a mugshot? We are going to be creating with Dollar Tree glass mugs this week, and I couldn't be more excited. These are going to be some really super affordable, fun, functional ideas for you to use with Dollar Tree mugs or any mugs that you have around the house. All right, let's get it. I went ahead and grabbed several of the clear glass mugs. I just really love how classy and basic they are, and they're gonna go with every single one of our projects. Peel that sticker off of the candle wick and then press it down inside of your clear glass Dollar Tree mug or any mug that you happen to have. I'm going to add a little popsicle stick right there at the top to kind of keep it straight. Now I'm going to be adding a little bit of my melted candle wax onto a dried flower and pressing it against the side of the mug, being strategic as to the design and where I want it to see from the outside. So once you have that all done, we are going to be making this into a DIY candle. It is so super simple, and I will, of course, link all of the supplies in the description below for you. Now, once I have the candle wax melted, it's super simple in the microwave. I'm just gonna pour the candle wax kit into the mug. It is going to cover that spot where we added the dried florals, and I'm going to try my best to be patient. This is the hardest part of the process, and wait for it to just get a little bit hardened on the top. Once I've done that, not going to let it dry all the way, but about 3/4 of the way, I'm going to put a few more of those dried florals right at the top of the mug. Now, this is going to make it really pretty when you go to light your candle. Hang tight so you can see what I'm talking about. Now, you could use artificial flowers, you could use real flowers, or like I did here with these dried flowers. They're just so pretty. I love using a little set of tweezers. Those are my Cricut tweezers to just kind of arrange the flowers in a design. Once you have it exactly how you want it, you're going to want to let this candle cure for a couple of hours minimum, preferably 72 hours total. This is going to give you the best and longest, most efficient burn of your candle. Don't forget to keep that wick trimmed, and don't trim it too short. Always keep it right flush with the candle's surface where the glass is. Now, this turns out to be the prettiest candle, but you can get creative with your ideas. You could sprinkle some glitter on the top here. You could put some sprinkles on here of regular like food sprinkles. You get creative, do your candle the way you want it. This is how mine turned out. I'm just showing you here how it looks lighted. I love this DIY candle mug. What do you think? I am loving that dried florals on the top that I was telling you about with all the different colors. And these are the ones we put on the inside and had them stick to the edge of the inside of the glass. I'm just going to take a second real quick. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do that right now and hit that notification bell. And if you're loving the video, give it a thumbs up. How about this idea? You know those jars that we keep our condiments in? Staples, basics? I don't even know what you call it. But sugar, brown sugar, all of the things. What about putting one of the clear Dollar Tree mugs right down in there, and it's a built-in scoop. It's pretty, you can see it, and it's not distracting. I am in love with this idea. In fact, I bought one and did it for all of my jars. What do you think? Here is another idea for a Dollar Tree glass mug. We're going to add our pens to it. This is a cute little way to display your pens on your desk and see which colors you have them handy, and it looks pretty cute too. What do you think about this one? Another idea for the Dollar Tree glass mugs is to add your makeup brushes. I love this idea. I can see them at a glance. I can grab them as I need them. They're perfect. This is a fun little DIY idea for the Dollar Tree glass mugs. You're just going to take some kitchen sponges. Yep, you can grab those at the Dollar Tree as well. Little tip from me to you, be sure to grab a really cute one. I don't know, it just makes the project more fun. Then we're going to cut it out. First, I tried just cutting it and then I was like, this isn't working really great. So then I decided to trace it out with a Sharpie. So you don't have to get an exact, just, a rough trace around the bottom of the glass mug. We really only need it to fit the bottom of the mug. Then I'm using some super sharp scissors and cutting out my circle, making sure to trim it up really neat so that it looks cute down in the mug. Once you have this part done, we are going to simply add it to the mug, and then we are going to add a little bit of water. And I'm using my little baby mug here to add the water and all of our artist paintbrushes. What a cute and fun way to keep your brushes moist and wet during your project, as well as get them cleaned off in between colors when you're painting. What do you think? All right, of course, my favorite way to use the Dollar Tree glass mug is going to be for my morning coffee. So I'm just showing you here, I take my coffee black. What do you take in your coffee? I also only add it half full because these mugs are really wide rimmed and it'll get cold fast if you're not careful. Grab a pillar candle or two from your local Dollar Tree and let's make a really fun latte mug candle. You can do this, I promise. Now I chose white, but we are going to zhuzh it up with a few wax melts. Dollar Tree has these also in the candle section. Just pick one where the fragrance is going to be good, but also mainly the color is going to be good. So I actually ended up going with a tan color for this exact candle, and it was a nutty kind of a hazelnut flavor or smell. I always call it flavors. Then you're going to melt your pillar candles in a pot of boiling water on low. You want to make sure you do this slow and low. Once they are completely melted, go ahead and take a pair of pliers. This is going to keep you from getting burned. A pair of pliers and just pull out that little wick, but reserve it. We are going to use it for our DIY candle. Put it down in the bottom of your candle, secure it with just some wooden chopsticks. Then I added that tan candle wax that I melted in with the pillar candle, and then I added some plain white wax to the top. I'm finishing it off here with some coffee beans, putting those on right before it completely dries and cures. Now, from Crafter Square, you can find these fun little clear stickers. They have different ones all the time, but I found this one that says, "I love you, a latte." And I mean it. I love you. I appreciate you so much for watching my videos, giving them thumbs up, liking everything, commenting. You are the superstar, my friend. Okay, so I am just adding this to the front of our DIY candle. Bada bing, bada boom. This is how it turned out. This would make the perfect gift. Who are you thinking of right now that needs you to make one of these for them? It will literally make their day, I promise. Now this one has the wonderful coffee scent because those coffee beans are right there on the top, front and center. This is such a fun project. I hope that you will try it, my friend. It is super simple. Get creative with the scents and the colors of wax melts that you use, especially the new ones coming up for the holidays. I'm thinking pumpkin spice, anything cozy would do. You could make several of these for the holidays. And also a little tip from me to you is to make extra and keep them on hand. These make excellent last minute gifts. You know the ones I'm talking about, the ones where you didn't expect to get something, but boom, there it is. And you don't want to be left empty handed. So what do you think? Which DIY mug idea was your favorite? Some of them were oldies but goodies. Some of them were new for me. So let me know down below, of course. Now, if you haven't already, this is your chance to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Also, I'd love to stay in touch every single week over on my email list. just hit that QR code or find the description link below. Until next time, my friend, get creative and watch the next video.